Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Edit for Instagram. Edit is a new video creation app by Instagram that helps creators make great videos on their phone with easy ways to track your ideas, powerful editing tools, and actionable insights. It has all the tools you need to support your creation process in one place. So let me show you how to download and install Edit for Instagram. So first, you want to go ahead and open up your App Store. Search for Edits. An Instagram app. So this is the app which you're looking for, Edits Instagram app. Go ahead and download this app. Once downloaded, go ahead and open the app. And in the app, it'll then ask you what account you want to use. So go ahead and use your Instagram account and then log in to your Edits video creator for Instagram. So there you go, guys. That is how to download and install Edit for Instagram. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.